Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a lag issue in Camtasia Studio 9. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, when you open up Camtasia Studio and editing in the video, and you can also as well as you can rendering the video, then you can face a lag issue in Camtasia Studio 9. So how can fix this type of error? So first of all, you can go to your edit option and scroll down and go to your preferences. So it's a shortcut command is Ctrl+. So you can go to your preferences, and after doing this step you can open a new dialog box. After doing this step you can go to your advanced options, and now you can use a hardware acceleration. So you can see two options, use GPU and for video scaling and effects, and you can second option is a use software only mode. So you can select a use software only mode, and after doing this step you can click on a OK button, and after doing this step you can restart a Camtasia Studio, and you can also create a new project, and then these settings will be applied. So after applying that you can restart your Camtasia Studio 9, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.